Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your headphones without damaging them. So let's begin. This is how my headphones look before customizing. As you can see, half of the portion is glossy and half is matte. So to even out, I am going to sand the glossy part, which will help to hold the paint properly. So I am going to start sanding with 40 grit sandpaper. Make sure you don't hurt yourself while sanding. The white color substance you can see is the clear coat which the company used to give glossy look to the headphones. The reason why we are sanding before painting is because sanding helps the paint to stick on the surface, which glossy substance do not allow. This is how it looks after sanding. We have to do the same on the other side too. If you're customizing any object, make sure you first sand it so that you get a clean finish. Even if your headphones do not have any glossy part, then also sand it before painting. Once you're done with sanding, clean it properly. If you still find glossy areas, then sand it with 1200 grit sandpaper. In my case, the 40 grit sandpaper did the work, so now I'm going to move on next step, which is to cover the areas where we are not going to paint with paper tape so that those areas are protected from paint. Decide where you have to paint and where not to, and then start covering all those areas where you don't want to paint. Make sure you're safe while using cutter or scissors.
I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.
Similarly, you have to do the same on the other side too. This is how it looks when you cover with paper tape, and now you're only exposed with areas where you have to paint. Now it's time to paint the base coat. For that I am using acrylic white color. You can also use spray paint for this base coat. One layer of paint is not enough. You have to paint multiple times to get good finish. If you're painting, sometimes you don't get a plain effect, so you can sand the painted portion as it is the base coat, which will make your paint look smooth just like you have spray painted. Don't apply too much of pressure so that the paint will wear off like I did. Now for one last time, apply a layer of paint and let it dry. Once it dried, draw whatever you want with pencil. You can either draw doodle or draw any design. I am going to paint this one in the same pattern I painted my cupboard. You can see that video after watching this one. Its link is there in the top right hand corner. If you want to make same pattern as I am doing, for that you have to make a grid of boxes. I am making of 1 cm each. Don't draw free-handed, make use of scale to get perfect straight lines. The grid will look somewhat like this. Make sure you don't draw too dark. Now start drawing the pattern like this. Do the same pattern on the other side too so that it looks symmetrical. Once you're done drawing the same pattern on both the sides, start painting with acrylic paints. I'm going to use warm colors and I'm going to paint from dark to light.
Yeah, all day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never enough. We'd hook up in my car, drive it so far. Play your guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun.
Don't mix two different shades and paint simultaneously on both the sides.
Dance all night long till the lights come on. Late now, I remember everything and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. Nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud.
Once you're done painting, let it dry for some time. Once your paint is dried, apply clear coat varnish so that the paint is not damaged and let it dry overnight. While spraying clear coat, wear a mask so that you don't inhale those harmful molecules.
Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Once the clear coat is dried up, remove all the paper tape and this way your customized headphones are ready.
It's too late now, I remember everything and how careless yes, we
This is how the final product looks like. Hope you like this video and learn something from this video. You too try doing this DIY and be the different guy with customized headphones in your college or school. Please consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel.